Drinking water out of the bird bath. Oh. Here goes Ginger. Drinking water out of the bird bath. I cleaned it out. They won't stop drinking water out of it. So I got all the nasty leaves out, all the dirt, and put fresh water in it. Oh. That's too cute. Chloe, Ginger. Chloe, Ginger, come here, babies. Chloe, Ginger, come here, babies. Come here, boo-boos. Want a treat? Come on, baby girl. Do you like that? I put water in the bird bath for you, huh? You little brats, come here. Chloe, come here, baby girl. Chloe. Ginger, come here. Oh, goodness. Gonna be nap time soon, ain't it, baby girl? You're tired. Yes, you are. Come on, come inside. Come on, pretty girl. Yep, I cleaned the bird bath out for the dogs and put fresh water in it. Now they can drink fresh water. Yep, been busting them drinking out of it most of the winter when they ain't froze. Unless they were licking the ice, I don't know. Stop eating sticks and crap off the ground. They eat sticks, branches, I don't know. Craziness. Come on, you're out of breath, baby girl. You can come inside, take a nap. No, Chloe, don't be digging holes. No. Chloe, no. Stop. No! Shit. I'm gonna have to get off here. She's digging a hole. Come on, Ginger. Ginger. Go inside. No digging holes, boo-boos. Goofy dog. No! Now I have to take a shovel and cover it up now. Crap. I'll get off here later, everybody.